A brick trowel is an essential hand tool in masonry work, specifically designed for spreading mortar and setting bricks or blocks with accuracy and efficiency. Featuring a flat, pointed steel blade, the brick trowel allows for precise control when scooping, applying, and shaping mortar, ensuring an even layer for strong and uniform bonding. Its ergonomic handle, often made from wood, plastic, or rubber, is designed to provide a comfortable grip during extended use, reducing fatigue for masons and builders. Beyond just laying mortar, the tool is also used for cutting and shaping bricks by tapping them with the back of the blade, as well as for scraping away excess mortar to achieve a neat finish. Whether you are constructing walls, repairing damaged brickwork, or creating decorative masonry patterns, a brick trowel offers the perfect balance of strength, flexibility, and precision. Built to withstand the rigors of daily construction work, a brick trowel is forged from high-quality, corrosion-resistant steel that maintains its shape and sharpness even after repeated use. Its pointed blade design not only helps with accurate mortar placement, but also makes it easier to work in tight spaces and corners, ensuring a professional finish in every project. Professional masons rely on the brick trowel for its versatility and reliability, while DIY builders appreciate its ease of use and ability to produce clean, solid results. With proper maintenance, such as regular cleaning after use and occasional oiling to prevent rust, a quality brick trowel can last for years, making it a valuable investment for any construction ticket. From small-scale home repairs to large-scale commercial projects, this tool plays a pivotal role in ensuring that every brick is laid strong, level, and true.